This is the story of a town child who is living in town, but he remembers the village. And in your book, there is a poem, The Town Child. What is the wish of a town child? That you will know by reading this poem. First, I am going to recite this poem. I live in the town in a street. It is crowded with traffic and feet. There are buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and lambs. The houses all wait in a row. There is smoke everywhere that I go. I don't like the noises I hear. I wish there were woods very near. There is only one thing that I love, and that is the sky far above. There is plenty of room in the blue for castles of clouds and me too. The poet is Irene Thompson. In this poem, the poet shows the desire of the town child. There is a child who is living in the town, and as you know, the atmosphere of town is not so good because it is crowded with traffic. There are so many buses, motors, trams running on the road. But the poet wishes to see meadows. He wishes to see lambs. In town, there are a lot of houses. These houses wait in a row. The atmosphere is not so good because there is smoke everywhere in the town. Town is also full of noises. The poet does not like the noise of the town. The poet wants to see the woods very near. The poet likes one thing, that is the blue sky, because there is plenty of room or lot of place in the blue sky. There is cloud in the blue sky, or you can say castles of clouds, and there is also much place for the poet. Really, this poem shows the desire of a town child. It happens when you live in any atmosphere, in any climate, that time you are tired of that climate. At present, many people go to town to live there, but there are a lot of problems regarding health and atmosphere in the town. People feel a lot of problem because the town is crowded, or you can say overcrowded. Population density is very high. In a building, hundreds of people live. You cannot walk on the road freely. It is full of bus, motors, trams, all are running. Industries are established in the town. and industries are the source of smoke. They also spread noises. The poet is tired of it. The town child is tired of it. He wants to see the meadows. He wants to see the lamps. He wants to live near woods, near forest. He wishes to enjoy village life. And one thing that attracts the town child in the town, that is blue sky, because in the sky there is a lot of place, lot of space, lot of room, there is cloud. So people who are living in town, they are thinking maybe like this town child who wants peaceful life, who want pollution free life, and this is possible in a village. So by this poem, the town child, the poet presents the picture of the town and tries to compare it with a village. Thank you. Have a nice day.